Welcome back to the 24-day Python coding challenge. This is day 2, and today, we're exploring one of the most important concepts in Python: variables and data types. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to store and manipulate data like a pro. What you'll learn today: what are variables? How to assign values to variables? Understanding data types: integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Basic operations with variables. If you're just joining us, don't worry. This challenge is designed to take you from beginner to pro in Python. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. What are variables? In Python, a variable is like a container that holds data. Instead of writing numbers or text directly in the code, we store them in variables and use them later. Think of it as a labeled box where you store information. Let's take an example. In this code sample above, we can see an example of variables. Name is the variable, while John is the value giving to name. To store same goes to age, height, and is_student. They are all variables, and the world after the equal to is the value. The equal to is used to assign values. Key points. Variables store data in memory. The equal sign is used to assign values. Python automatically detects the type of data. Now that we know what variables are, let's talk about the different types of data they can hold. Data types. Here are the types of data in Python. Integers, int, whole numbers like 5, 100, -3. Floats, float, decimal numbers like 5.7, -0.8. Strings, str, text data like hello. Booleans, bool, true or false. See how Python tells us the type of each variable? This is super useful when working with real-world data. Today challenge. Modify the following code to ask for the user's age and confirm if they are above 18. Try running this code, enter your age, and see the result. Can you modify it to include more responses? Let me know in the comments. Great job! Today, we learned about variables and data types in Python. You now know how to store and work with different types of data. Join the challenge now. Log into your dashboard and complete today's task. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 3, where we'll learn about user input and string formatting. See you tomorrow. Keep coding.